Hello my beautiful friends, today I am bringing you a very requested video that I have kind of been pushing off for a while, but I am bringing you a tutorial on the new Nomad Cosmetics Tokyo Harajuku palette. Yes, the day has finally come. I have finally filmed a tutorial, so if you are interested in seeing the Nomad Cosmetics Tokyo Harajuku palette in action, then go ahead and keep on watching and let's jump right on in. So we have a very laid back, chill, relaxed video. I am not going to be doing a voiceover, but I will provide you all the information you need to know about what I'm using and whatnot on the screen. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, and let's go ahead and jump on into the makeup look. So before I sign off here, I have to throw it out there. My good God, were those shadows beautiful or what? Y'all saw them in real time. You guys saw that gorgeous Otaku shade. I was a little bit shocked because Otaku definitely looked more pink in the pan, but when I actually put it on the eyes, it was much more blue. Like, I'm looking at it right now in the mirror on my eyeballs and it looks blue. But I'm okay with that because it looks super, super beautiful. It just looks like a baby blue with like a hint of pink. But in the pan, it kind of looks like the exact opposite. It looks like a baby pink with a hint of blue. But I am not disappointed in the slightest because the actual formula of the shadows in this palette, especially those gorgeous multi-chromes, are just insane. They are out of this world. So I highly suggest this palette to anyone who is looking at it, to anyone who thinks that these colors are beautiful. I say go for it. If you want to see more on this palette, I did a swatch party video here recently on my channel where I basically swatch everything out and show you in-depth, up-close and personal shots here. I also do brush swatches as well as finger swatches, and then over top of glitter glue swatches for those multi-chromes. So it gives you a lot of background information. So if you are interested in seeing that, I will have it in the cards and also down below as well. But with that being said, if you enjoyed today's tutorial and if you want to see more from me, or if you just enjoy pastel makeup and indie makeup in general, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. And if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, if you just enjoyed watching, then give me a big old thumbs up as well. It helps out the channel, it helps out small YouTubers, so if you choose to do so, then I greatly appreciate it. But I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing and beautiful day wherever you are, and thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope to see you next time. Bye!